Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Azure Synapse Studio, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Azure website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Azure account. Type in your email address and click Next. On the next screen, enter your password. If you've enabled multi-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete that process. After signing in, you will be directed to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, use the search bar at the top. Type Synapse Analytics into the search bar and select it from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Azure Synapse Workspace overview page. If you have an existing Synapse Workspace, click on it to open. If you need to create a new Synapse Workspace, click on Create and follow the prompts to set it up. Once in the Synapse Workspace, locate the Open Synapse Studio button. Click on Open Synapse Studio to launch the environment. This will open a new tab in your browser with Synapse Studio. Allow a moment for Synapse Studio to load completely. Once loaded, you are now logged into Microsoft Azure Synapse Studio. You can start exploring the various features and tools available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.